Hi everyone, it's Dan here, and today I want to run you through my favourite template on the app and just share some of the really cool features about it with you guys. That is the home repair template, and my favourite thing, it's quite funny, it's something I didn't actually notice straight away, and it's hidden when you import it, is these 4 pages down here, just hiding below the page fold line are 3 variations of an opt-in page and a thank you page. So they're separate from the main website, but they are important nonetheless, and they do make a great feature for this funnel. So I'll talk more about those later, but at the moment we're going to focus on these 5 pages here, which make up the main bulk of the website. And first thing I really like about the template is the way it's structured and split. So instead of having loads of information on the home page and then just having like a quotes page, you've actually got 5 separate pages, which stops, prospects from being overwhelmed by a really long page. And my favorite one out of these is the testimonials page. I've got it open on the live page here. So if you look at it, this really shows off the business, and I think it's important for a business like this when you're doing physical work. People want to see the work that you've done, and I think having a separate page for that will really boost conversions and give people reassurance that your business is well regarded by others. So that's definitely one of the best things about the template. I think the fact that it's split off like this and really draws attention to the testimonials. Now you'll notice these buttons here on a lot of the pages. These are going to link to your quotes page, so I've wired mine up so that it links to the quote page. So I'll show you that now. If I click on that, this is where now you can go and people can then request to get a quote from you. So that's one way people will navigate around your site, using these buttons. Now another way is with the menu element here that is actually pre-loaded onto the template, and I'm going to show you that in the editor now. So if we open let's go with the about page, and we'll show you the menu element live and working. Now it's, as I say, it's already loaded like this on the page, so if you want to add it yourself or play with it on another page, you can add it from the elements tray here. But we've already got it set up like this, so it's got the about, the services, get a quote, testimonials and contact options. Now you'll notice it hasn't got a home option, but that is because the button we're using is actually our logo. And if we select it and go general properties, you can see I've added my link here to my home page. So all you'd have to do yourself is add that as well. And that is similar with the menu element. If we go back to that and go to the menu items option in element properties, you're going to see here these are our menu items. Now you can click the little arrow and you can here choose the type of item you want it to be. So I've got mine set up to link, and that means when I click on them it's going to take me to the link that I put in here. So all you have to do with this template is add your links, and that will allow your users to navigate around the site. Now if you want to spruce it up a little bit, you can add items here. So let's say you wanted a home item, you can add it like so, and then you just need to resize, and you're going to see that it's added on the end. You can even drag to reorder like this, and it will go right to the front like so. Really cool that it does that for you, and that's going to allow you to customize the template a little bit. Now you'll notice we don't have a contact page, and that's because we're going to want you or allow you to link out to other pages with the menu. So you don't just have to link to Convertri pages. If you had like a Facebook page or something, you could put that in here as well. So it allows you to keep your site nice and diverse. And you also have options here of an internal link, which will go take you to another element on the page, and then also a sub menu, which you can then have a menu within your menu. So if you had it for the contact page, you could then have Twitter or Facebook, and that would then expand when your users clicked on that contact item. So I'll show you that now. If I just drag that along and publish it, this is going to exemplify the menu feature and how you can change it on your page so that it doesn't exactly look like the template, but you're adding different features to it. So if we click that now, it's dropped down, and we can then add links to these 2 sub items, which would take users to those places. So that's the menu element, and like I said, it's already on the page for you. All you have to do is wire it up, which I think is really easy to do, and that is going to be a good benefit of this template again. So we're going to talk a little bit now about the design of it, which I think it's a really positive thing with this template. And it's funny actually, we've actually been having some design lessons within Convertri. Our in-house designer Matteo, who I'm sure we'll appreciate the name drop here. It's been giving us some lessons relating to, you know, designing pages and particularly colour theory. And you'll notice on these pages, if we have a look on, you know, the different pages, they all stick to this colour scheme, which is black and yellow. And that's really important because not only is it bright and vibrant, but they're also colours that you would associate with the industry like construction or repairs. So what that's going to do is allow the user's brains to make the right connections between the colour and that they're seeing and the industry that they're supposed to be looking at here. So in this case, they're expecting it to be about, you know, repairs or construction. So when they see these colours, their brain's going to make those connections, and that is going to mean that they feel a lot more at ease on the page and like they are in the right place. So for me, that is a big tick with this template, that you've got not only a nice colour scheme in terms of that it's bright and vibrant and it's really popping on the page, but also that it links well to the actual niche that it is promoting. So you can of course edit the colours. Before we move on, I should just let you know that these are all editable. As you've seen with the menu, you can also change the colours, and you can change them to match a different industry if you wanted to. So say you had like a gardening website, but you wanted this structure but just different colours, you can of course customise that yourselves. So finally then, we can look at these opt-in page choices. I've got here the short opt-in page, which gives just a nice simple version of an opt-in page. They can come here and enter their details and sign up. You've then got the long variation of that, which just has this little bit extra. You know, if you're trying to make the conversion, you're going to want to put a little bit more information possibly, and you've got that with this version. And then you've also got the video opt-in page, so you can show off some of the work you've already done, which is going to go a long way in convincing your prospects to sign up. And having these options for me is such a good thing about this template, because not only does it allow you to, you know, choose whichever one you want without having to make it yourself, you also then have the opportunity to experiment with these as well. So you can try maybe for a week the video opt-in, you could then try the long one and then the short one, and you can see which one performs best. And I know myself, when I'm playing around my pages and testing out funnels, I'm always trying to figure out what is going to work best and what is getting me the most conversions. So that is definitely a good thing that you have that option here. And then of course, lastly, we've got this thank you page, which is going to be where your prospects hopefully end up. And it's nice to have a clean looking thank you page here, which will get the job done. You've got, you know, it's informing your prospects that they've signed up, and then you can also link them back to the quotes page if you want to. So that is the home repair template set, guys. Just a quick spin around that, and I think it gives you a great website and also some opt-in options as well, which has, you know, more it's more of a funnel as well as a site. So you've got those two options there. And yeah, I think I'm always interested really to see what you guys think. So I'd love to know what your favorite template is in Convertri. So if you drop that in the comments as well, that would be really helpful just to see what you guys enjoy using within the app. So thanks for watching everyone, and take care.